So just last week I adopted these two little beautiful outdoor cats. I decided to name them Starsky and Hutch. I think Starsky is a year-old male and Hutch is a 4-month-old male. So both of them are males, and I can never find them. They hang out in my shed. That's where I feed them and give them water and a litter box and all that good stuff. They hide up in the attic, and so I can never see what they're up to. But last night I put my Ring camera towards the floor of the shed just to see what they're up to. And they come alive at night, apparently. So this is Starsky right here. And he's trying to figure out what Hutch is up to. Hutch is the little furry guy. You can kind of tell Hutch has a little bit longer fur than Starsky does. But these guys, they were never introduced to each other until I brought them home. And at the end of the video, I'll show you a picture of what they look like when I brought them home. They did not look happy at all. Here's Hutch. Why I oughta. Oh, they're so cute. Starsky seems to be a little bit more hungry than Hutch does. But every morning I set out, they each get 7 treats. And I kind of think that Starsky is eating most of them. But they're really cute. So far they haven't really caused any damage, which is nice. I was kind of nervous exactly what they were going to be up to. I've got a cat door on order, so they'll be able to get out at night and chase the mice around. But the Humane Society recommended that I keep them in a confined area for a few weeks until they realize that this is where the food and water is at, so that they continue to come back as opposed to them just running away. So I jumped on Amazon because we do get pretty cold temperatures here at night in the winter time. So I ordered this little heating pad for them. It's kind of like an enclosure that it's got a heating pad with a timer and a temperature sensor and all that good stuff. They should both be able to fit in there, because I don't know exactly how warm it's going to stay in this little solar shed. But I'm really happy that both of them are still around, because I do open the doors during the day, but they don't really have any interest in exploring just yet. And I'm glad that they're getting along, because I wasn't quite sure, being two males, exactly how well they would get along, but they seem to be having fun together. I did order a different Ring camera that should come here in the next few days, and I think it'll record at night in color, which is nice, because this Ring camera is, as you can see, it records black and white in the nighttime. All right, here's another clip coming up. These guys are something, man. They do kind of make a mess with the litter box, but I guess that's to be expected. I got these dog beds for them because they seemed really comfy, and I thought they'd be nice and warm. And they do appear to be kind of using them. They don't use them during the day, but I think they're using them at night, which is nice to see. That's where I leave their treats, is on that little block of wood. And Starsky is all about the treats, man. They're both so beautiful. They just have no interest in interacting with me quite yet. There's Hutch, the little furry guy. I can't wait to see, once they warm up to me a little bit, I kind of want to see them interact in the wild. See, he's in the dog bed right now, and seems to be having a good time. I think that's Hutch up in the dog bed. This one is Starsky. Yeah, so I'm having a good time with these guys. They're going through a decent amount of food. I started with one food dish and decided to get another one because they were eating all the food. And now I think I got their portions just about right. They like to move the litter around in the box, which is interesting. I guess they're just doing what cats do. So this is my last clip, and then I'm going to show you what they looked like when I brought them home from the Humane Society. I was so stressed out when I brought them home because they looked so unhappy. So this really kind of makes my day to see them on camera just having a good time. All right, so look at these photos. I mean, talk about not happy. Grumpy cat number 1 and grumpy cat number 2. Anyway, that's all I've got for you today. Hopefully they'll have more videos tomorrow. Thanks for watching the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will see you next time.